Alright guys, so have you seen from my video, I received a care package, you can say, from HelloFresh. It's currently empty. I have all the ingredients currently laying out, and I will show you guys my opinions, unbiased, non-sponsored, of HelloFresh. For my first care package with HelloFresh, I received 2 meals. Again, this is my first time using them, and my first meal is a creamy dill chicken, and the second one is a cheese tortellini in a mushroom sauce. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make the cheese tortellini in a mushroom sauce, and then if you guys are still interested, I can show you how I make the creamy dill chicken. So far I can tell you that with HelloFresh, everything is absolutely amazing. Again, non-sponsored. I did have one situation where there must have been some miscommunication with customer service, but apart from that, they handle it very professionally. As soon as we put everything together, I'll let you know what my thoughts are on HelloFresh and if it's worth purchasing or not. As I said earlier, today we're going to make the cheese tortellini in a mushroom sauce. It gives you all the ingredients below, and it tells you how to make it, how long it takes, and the calories it takes. On the back of this, it gives you the directions on how to make the whole process itself. Again, it gives you the ingredients and how much it takes and how long it takes and for the amount of people and all this great stuff. All the ingredients comes in this little bag. If it is something frozen or cold, it seems to be coming separately. But all these ingredients that you see laid out right here are from this bag itself. So that's really nice because everything's individually packaged, nothing's messy, everything's quite organized, even the garlic, which is quite cute. So that's really great to see. Our Parmesan cheese, notice it does contain milk for those who are lactose intolerant, such as myself, so I will use less of that. We have sour cream. We have ingredients. These are the red peppers that we'll be using at some point. The cream cheese spread, the garlic cloves, the Italian seasoning, your scallions. You have your cheese tortellini, and you have your button mushrooms. As the ingredients state, before you start anything, you must clean all your products. So I'll be cleaning it and chopping it up and just showing you once it's all done, and we will be cleaning the mushrooms as well. I already have my pans warmed up for the process. As you can see, I try to follow the first instructions, which was like cleaning and separating the green and the white from the scallions. So moving on over here, I cut up all the mushrooms. This is supposed to be for 2 people. And here's the greens from the whites. And now I will be putting the mushrooms in the saute pan. I already minced the garlic. This was my first time mincing garlic, to be honest. I've never had to do it because you can just buy it minced. So maybe I would say if HelloFresh can provide it minced, I know it's possible. I know it can be easily preserved. I do understand that they're trying to bring fresh products and teach you how to cook, I guess. But it was a little difficult, so I know it's not perfectly minced, but that's my minced garlic for right now. So currently I'm on step 2 where I am trying to cook the mushrooms. So they are on the pan right now. I added some oil as directed. And then next I will be doing the pasta and putting it in the pan that I have ready for boil. Right, so the mushrooms are looking pretty good. They have a few minutes left to go. Put the pasta. Currently waiting for the mushrooms to be done. They are 7 to 9 minutes, and the pasta to be done, which is 3 to 5 minutes. So just waiting on those. In the meantime, we'll start getting ready for the garlic, the scallion whites, a half of Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of butter to add and make the sauce. They do not provide butter, so you will be having to use your own butter. And then just salt and pepper, which you should have at home, so we'll be adding that. So I already added the butter. As you can see, it's already melting. So we're going to have those melt. I added the garlic and I added the white scallions. And those are all on there. You want to just wait till the butter melts, and then we'll move on to the next step. The pasta itself is already done, so that's really great. Seems like we have to add the cream cheese and the sour cream. So I will be taking those out and adding it to our mushrooms. And then it seems that we have to add 1/4 cup of pasta cooking water. So don't throw away that water just yet. This is looking good. I know there's something there, don't worry. I think that's some of the mushroom that didn't make it into the pan. So as you can see, the pasta's all done. It actually tastes really good. We're just gonna add some little bit of more spice, because it does have some spice. For those who can't handle it, maybe you should leave it like that. Add some cheese on top, a little bit of scallions for that extra flavor. But this pasta is done. I'll just add a clip of it being all plated. But yeah, and then I'll give my review. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me tell you that working with HelloFresh was interesting enough, and I believe that it's a great company to work with, especially for those who are constantly working and don't have time to grocery shop. The food just arrives at your door, and if you love to cook, this is perfect for you.